please change your name. Even if you want to be a Muslim, do not call yourself a Muslim in front of other people. Because then people will think that Islam is about the heart only. Islam is not about the heart only. Islam is about actions. Islam is not a noun, Islam is a verb. So intention is something that every Muslim in the world, especially the people who are in positions that matter, people in power, people with money, people with influence, they have found this as an excuse that since I am a Muslim by heart, that is enough for me on the day of judgment. And they keep quoting this hadith of innamal a'malu binniyat, especially the women, our sisters. I'm going to get back to this because I want to stick to this. This bigger problem that we're actually facing is that people of age are transferring this very belief of Islam, and that is just a placebo. It's not Islam. I'm sorry. Because if innamal a'malu binniyat was the translation of that hadith was the way we actually perceive it, then Allah Azza wa Jalla on the day of judgment, can anyone, especially from the sisters, can just raise your hand. I don't want to embarrass you because we're not trained into Islam, we just love Islam. Can anyone answer the 3 questions that Allah Azza wa Jalla is going to ask on the day of judgment? Can just raise your hand if you know the 3 questions.
In the grave.
No, not in the grave. On the day of judgment, the first 3 questions that every human being, any Peter, any Frank, any Muhammad, any Ali, any Sahil, anyone from Tunisia to Indonesia, from Alaska to Auckland, 3 questions will be asked.
What's your religion?
No. First, that's the sisters, see, the mommies. So if the mommies don't know, Ali's are not going to know. That little Ali's not going to know if the mommy's not going to know. Because daddy's at work. Daddy's thinking mommy's teaching. Mommy's not teaching. No. And it's not about one question or one idea of the question. See, the problem is that when we say, Amantu billahi, please complete it. Hold on. No, that's not the question. No, that's not the question. Let's not fluke it out. That's Islam, okay? I'll tell you, don't worry. That's why I said just raise your hands. If you know the answers, I'll ask you, don't worry. See, the problem is that we don't know the first thing that's going to happen on the actual day that we call the day of Islam. Yawmuddin. So, innamal a'malu binniyat is a totally different hadith. When Ali or Umar or Abu Bakr or Sa'ad, when they heard this hadith, they knew what it meant. They showed us what it meant. They lived their lives and died on Islam. We know exactly what happened to them. See, you use the word intention, right? That's why I'm saying that if somebody says, okay, you know what, I'm your friend, I'm sorry, I can't believe it.